those of you who know me and to those that just simply stumbled into my channel, welcome to my very first video. I must admit, I'm a little nervous. Mean Greenie is an educative and interactive platform where we nudge each other to be a little more aggressively green as compared to the normal tweeting and posting we do in our fast-paced lifestyle. To give a little context about how all this happened, I would take you guys back to a little bit of history. So come along. I, Monica Fatogun, was born to a Nigerian father and an Indian mother, and I'm the oldest of two siblings. I was fortunate to grow up traveling and moving, which made me love the outdoors. This is why my mom found it easy to lure us into watering her plants and feeding the birds in the morning, an activity that was alien to some Lagosians then. My dad would make us watch Nat Geo series, and I must admit these were annoying at first, but they pulled me into a world of animals, understanding their behaviors and their moods and so on. I would spend my time with them when visiting family friends, and I kept pets ranging from cats to turtles and even caterpillars. When I was 6, while playing with others making sand fried rice, we came across some buried lizard eggs, and out of curiosity, we smashed each one of them. After that day, I continuously had nightmares for weeks of the mama lizard finding her crushed babies. That was a turning point for me. After that, I wanted to be a voice for these animals, protect them from other ignorant 6-year-olds like me, and educate people on the importance of their existence. Oh, what a noble cause, right? Yeah, I think that's what guided me to do my further studies in wildlife conservation and management. After spending 8 years of protecting wildlife in different countries, sometimes being chased by them, rescuing and playing with some, I realized that there is a bigger battle to be fought. And if it isn't tackled, the wildlife that I'm passionate about would be gone too. This is climate change. I'm sure we have seen data figures and have witnessed scientific evidences of its impacts, but I live in a country where people have not realized that there is a problem. And if we collectively don't think there is a problem, how can we work towards a solution? So this is it. This is why I'm here, to talk about nature, everything about environmental issues, how we are involved and how we can rectify it and protect our planet better. Now, I'm not trying to say I'm a perfect environmentalist. I still depend on AC, I rely on plastics, I'm not a vegan yet, among many other imperfections. But the difference is I acknowledge my actions might harm the planet, and I'm working towards reducing these negative impacts, and I hope you will join me in this journey. My people, it is very easy to say, it's impossible, let us wait for the government. The truth is we can't wait. By 2050, according to reports, Lagos as a coastal city will be fully submerged because of the rise in sea levels. We have no time to waste. The truth is, no movement ever started with the government, but with individuals that came collectively together to work for a change. And I want us to start, even if it is imperfectly, and I can show you how. This is me signing out. If you liked this video, please join my Green Tribe and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and I would be making videos every Tuesday, so kindly hit the notification bell so that we're well informed. Come, let's be Mean Greenies together. Bye!